Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing the classic volcano experiment. I have here the National Geographic volcano set that I bought from Amazon, and you can check in the link below. And I have my DIY volcano materials. Kids, make sure you have your parent or guardian with you and protective gear. Okay, let's get to the experiment. Okay, let's first start with the National Geographic volcano set. Okay, let's get to the unboxing. I have here 2 rocks from the volcano, the volcano stand, the volcano mold, a paintbrush, eruption powder, another eruption powder, 3 paints, 1 stir stick, volcano plaster, instructions, and a volcano learning guide. Okay, let's start. The plaster in the mold, let it sit for 33 to 45 minutes. So that means I could go to my room and watch TV. While we're waiting for this to dry, I will be making my own DIY volcano. All you need is a container, paper, Coca-Cola, Mentos, and a hot glue gun. Make sure you have a parent or guardian with you for the hot glue gun because it's really hot and you don't want to burn your fingers. Let's start gluing the container on our base. Make sure it's centered. I'm done with my volcano, and it doesn't look that nice, but I'm proud of it. I had to wear gloves because the hot glue gun was really hot and it keeps on burning my hands. Now let's check on our first volcano. Okay, let's take it out of the mold. It came out really good, but the bottom is really cracked. But it came out Really, really good. According to the instructions, I have to dry it for 1 to 2 days or bake it for 1 to 2 hours. I can't wait, so I will bake it for 1 to 2 hours. All I need now is a tray. Thank you. Now we have to bake it for 200 degrees. Make sure you have your parent or guardian with you. Now we have to wait for 1 to 2 hours.
2 hours later.
Now it's out of the oven and it's time for the fun part. We paint. I have 3 colors here that was in the box and I will be using them for my volcano.
11 minutes later.
I'm done painting. What do you guys think? Now we're gonna go outside and blow up some volcanoes. Remember kids, have your goggles. I have here the 2 eruption powders and I put some dish soap to make the eruption bigger. I will be putting the 2 eruption powders in the volcano until it gets full. All clear. Are you guys ready? 3, 2, 1. I didn't expect that. All right, let's try this big guy. Don't disappoint me. And if you want to make the explosion bigger, add 2 pumps of dish soap. Okay, let's add the Mentos and see what happens.
A few moments later.
It's so slow.
A few inches later.
This is very disappointing. Oh, this sucks. Oh no. Oh no. No, no. No, no! No! Destroy! Destroy! Destroy, destroy, destroy! Oh my god! Thank you for watching me fail, but I will redeem myself, so keep a lookout. Like and subscribe if you're new, and see you in the next one. Bye!